We will start the class today. Good morning to everybody. As we have completed the chapter, so today I will write the question answers of that chapter from market to home in your workbook or the activity book. Okay, so you just take out your activity book and write down the answers of this chapter from market to home. Okay, so the first question, that is fill in the blanks with the correct word. So Vaishali's whole family, write down, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A, what it would be? Vaishali's whole family starts working at which time? It is 3 o'clock. Write down. B is the statement. Vaishali's father get ready to go to the dash to buy vegetables. It should be Mandi. Write down Mandi. C is he arranges all the vegetables on the dash and leaves for the dash. So he arranges all the vegetables on hand cart and leaves for bazaar. So first one is hand, that is hand cart. Second one is bazaar. That is bazaar. D statement is given here. Chotu goes to the bazaar with dash to his babuji and bhaiya. So it is food. E is given. Vaishali's father tries to sell dash vegetables first so that they do not get rot. So it is previous. Sixth one is only dash hours later Vaishali's family is up again. So that is which one? 4 hours. Okay. Now next one is write true and false statement. It is true and false. First one is Vaishali's father is a farmer. So is it a false statement? B is when most people are fast asleep, they start their work. So it is a true statement. C is there. he arranges all the vegetables on, C, Babuji goes to the market rarely. It's a false statement. And D is, no one help Amma in sorting the vegetables. It is also a false statement. Every family member, they help to sort the vegetable. Now, E, the vegetables which are not fully ripe and ready to sell are kept aside. It is a true statement. F1 is, Vaishali has to reach school by 7:30 in the morning. So it is also a true statement. Vegetables dry up very quickly in summer. It is also a true statement. And H1 is, Babuji and Bhaiya returned home by 10 o'clock at night. It is also a true statement. So complete it fast. Then we will write the question answers. रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या, समझ में नहीं आ रहा. हाय फ्रेंड्स, तब से लिखा हुआ यहाँ, कैमरा ऑन है. क्या हो रहा है? हाय फ्रेंड्स, सबसे अब आया. क्या हो रहा था, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. अच्छा, now next we will write the answers the following questions. So I'm just rubbing this is, and the third question, third one is, answer the following questions. Answer A. What is the question? Question is, at what time Vaishali's family member start their work? So you know that at what time. Write down Vaishali's family Vaishali's family get up at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in the morning. And start their work. And start their work. Okay, so the question, at what time Vaishali's family member get up and start their work? So answer is, Vaishali's family get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and start their work. Now turn over the page, page number 62. This is for the page 61. Now page 62. Okay. Yes, 3 o'clock. Right. Now, B. Why do Vaishali and her family members take out the previous day vegetables from the gunny bag and basket? So, write down. Vaishali and her family members take out the previous day's vegetables from the basket and gunny bags because they wanted to sell them first. Okay, Vaishali and her family members take out the previous day's vegetables from the basket and gunny bags because they wanted to sell them first. Now, this is the B answer. Now the C answer, question C is, why do they sprinkle water on previous day's vegetable? Write it down. They sprinkle water on previous day's vegetables so that they look fresh and good and get easily sold. Okay, so they sprinkle water on previous day's vegetables so that they look fresh and good and get easily sold because they wanted to sell the previous day's vegetable first. That's why. Okay, that's why they do like this. Now the next day, the next question is D question. What type of vegetables are kept aside? So answer D is the vegetables which are not fully ripe and ready to sell are kept aside. Okay, the vegetables which are not fully ripe and ready to sell are kept aside. Last one is the E question, and the E question is, in which case Babuji regular buyers may buy their vegetables from somewhere else. So write down if Babuji gets late to reach in Mandi, his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. Okay, this is the answer of 5. If Babuji gets late to reach in Mandi, his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. So these all are the answers. I will repeat the answer or question along with the answer, but the fourth answer is your homework and fifth we will discuss right now. Okay, so I'm repeating the answer. First one is Vaishali's family get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and start their work. B answer, Vaishali and her family members take out the previous day's vegetables from the basket and gunny bags because they wanted to sell them first. C answer, they sprinkle water on previous day's vegetables so that they look fresh and good and get easily sold. D answer, the vegetables which are not fully ripe and ready to sell are kept aside. E answer, if Babuji gets late to reach in Mandi, his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. So that's all for the day, and the answers are given. Question number 4 is your homework, because it's a long answer, and all the answers you will join together, you will come to know the answer. So the all steps you will write your own, and it is a very big answer, so I hope it will not come, but you write your own and you show me. Okay, now the fifth one, give below the names of some fruits and vegetable, column 1, and match with the colors, column B. So apple is red, peas are green, cabbage is green, banana is yellow, papaya yellow and green both, carrot red, mango yellow, tomato red, okra bhindi is green, cauliflower yellowish in color, orange, watermelon green, outer side it is green, and inside it is red. So we will just do all the things, you just match them with the color. Guava is green and sometime yellow, cucumber is green. So you just make a match them, okay, according to their color, all that, you match them. So both the answers you will do it. And now now this is the Priyojit, which question you want to repeat? Fifth one. Which question you want the repetition? Which one? Write fast, time is getting over. Match, the match, no? I don't have to repeat. What color of apple? So join with red, peas with green, cabbage with green, banana with yellow and green both, papaya green and yellow both, carrot is red or orange, so you just red and orange you can match it. Okra, mango is yellow is given here. Okra or bhindi is green, cauliflower yellowish, orange is actually orange in color. So orange, cucumber is green in color, guava is green and yellow. So which are having before ripening and after the ripening the colors, you just match with them, and whatever the things are given, you just match them, and kindly give your attendance. I hope you can do this, okay? And if any problem, then you can ask me. Now give your presence, and thank you for the class. Have a nice day. Okay, kindly give your attendance. I have seen few students are present in the class, but they do not give their attendance. So I am just writing your attendance according to your whatever you are giving, present ma'am or not. So sometimes it is missing. So kindly, if you are attending the class, you give your attendance. Okay, thank you.